thing. I put out that 10K challenge between you and Devon Larratt for a big super match. And, everybody's just been waiting for the answer, including myself, bro. I am kind of excited. I don't know where you're going to go with this, but what's up, bro? Are we gonna take on this challenge? Are you going to come see Devon and pull him?
I'll absolutely go against Devon right after he wins against Gennady. So he needs to just step up, man up, and prove himself. And he already locked in the match with Gennady. So